Hi guys! Just got home from Watson's and I'll show you the products na nabili ko for my curly hair. Ayan, let's go! First is this, the Lux Organics Hair Professional Premium Curl and Define Essence. Ayan guys, it is 120 ml. So for my curls. Next one is this Hair Fix from Life Strong, the Power Curls Leave-On Hair Lotion. This is the first time na makakagamit ako nito. Sana ay maganda siya. And next naman, nakita ko siya sa Watson's guys. Meron na palang hair serum yung pen shop. Ayan, pinili ko din siya. Itatry ko kung maganda din po siya sa aking curly hair. So ayan guys, these are the products na nabili ko. Kung meron kang curly hair guys at meron kang mga products na ginagamit, you can share in